Hello everyone, good afternoon. Guys, I'm Manjeet Raut, your online instructor. Sorry for delay. Uh, Actually guys, ये first live session है अपने Microsoft Azure AG 300 का और AG 104 का basically. So actually I just want to check about the live streaming on our YouTube channel. So guys, please give me your feedback after end of the session. We'll wait for your valuable feedback. So in this session, I'm planning to describe you about how we can manage the storage services. So guys, we'll try to describe about the entire theoretical and practical part. How you can set up your storage account and which types of services are available in our storage account. So guys, let's start our practical. So if we're talking about the storage, so as we know that I have already created a multiple videos related to the storage account, but this is the live practical session, so you can directly ask me question related to the storage. If you have any question, or any doubt, so you can directly ask me related to the question of storage services. So guys, first of all, we just try to understand about the concept, the importance of storage account. So I'm going to create one diagram to describe about the part or services of our storage account. So guys, you can say that storage account is one of important service of Microsoft Azure portal, and with the help of this particular service, you are able to manage your structured data, and you can also manage your unstructured data. For example, you created a one storage account, and whenever you create a storage account, it gives you four different types of storage services. The first storage service is known as container. You can see that another service is file share and table, and finally you can also find one storage service is queues. So four different options available, four different storage services available in single storage account, and by using these services you are able to manage your storage services. So guys, I'm going to describe more about it. So if we explore more about to understand about the storage services which is available in the storage account, so you can say that our container and file share both are a part of unstructured data storage. Okay, and if we're talking about table and queues, so table and queues is basically responsible to store the structured data. So you can, if you want to store any kind of structured data, you need to proceed with the tables and queues. If you want to upload or restore any unstructured data, so you need to proceed with container and file share. Clear? So table and queue is used to store the unstructured data. Table and queue is used to store the structured data like as a SQL, Oracle, table, and messaging services also required to put in the queues and table. And if you want to upload your documents, text, video, or images, anything related to PDF as well, so you need to proceed with a container service, or you can also proceed with file share. So guys, I'm going to describe you about the entire step, how you can use the container and file share and table and queues as well. So this is the first important information related to the storage account. So I hope you understand about the concept of storage account. So whenever you create a storage account, you will be get a four different types of storage services: container, file share, table, and queues. Container and file share is responsible to contain the unstructured data, and tables and queues is responsible to store the structured data. So guys, we'll try to understand more about it, like as we just try to understand about the concept of container, in which case we need to use the container, and why we need to proceed with file share as well. So if we're talking about the container, so if you want to use the container, you need to create a blob. Under the container, you need to create the blob, and under the blob, you are able to upload the data that you want. Upload the store. You can say that blob is the actual storage. Container is a kind of virtual container that contain the multiple blobs. Means you have option to create a number of blobs in single container. Next, I'm going to describe more about it. If we're talking about the types of blob, so we have a three different types of blob. Whenever you create a container and under the container you're trying to create a blob, so we have a three different types of blob. One is a block blob, you can say that, right? And the second is the page blob, okay? And third is append blob. So in single blob, if we're talking about the total types of blobs, so there are four different types of blob available: block blob, page blob, and append blob. So I'm going to describe you about the theoretical part because it's really important if you want to proceed with this. If you want to be a Azure architect or administrator, you should know about the concept of a block blob, page blob, and append blob, because these all services are backbone of our you can say that storage. So guys, this is the basic information about the storage account, and we'll also give you the step how you can create your own storage account with the help of Microsoft Azure portal. But meanwhile, we need to understand about the types of blob. So guys, if you're talking about blob, so blob is fully free. You can upload any kind of data. You are planning to upload your data from on premises, means user is responsible to upload our own data in the blob. For example, you created a one blob and you are planning to upload your data, like you are planning to upload your PDF file, or you are uploading your training videos or MP3 or images. So you need to create a blob. Page blob. If you're talking about the page blob, so in the page blob is basically designed by the Microsoft Azure self, because with the help of page blob, in the case of page blob, we are unable to make any changes. Like we are unable to update anything by self. You are unable to delete it. You are unable to download it. So basically, page blob is basically used to contain the information about the logs and event. Means you can also say that page blob is contain the information about the logs and events of our Azure services and Azure portal as well. So it's also managed by the Microsoft Azure self. Append blob, as per the name of append blob, it's a basically you can say that randomly access the storage, randomly accessible storage. And guys, I'm going to describe you about the example of append blob. So in case of append blob, you can say that the basically work of append blob, if we whenever you create a virtual machine over the Azure portal, every virtual machine create a storage account by self, and in the storage account automatically created the blob. It's a append blob that contain the information about our hard drive. So you can say that if you want to put the hard disk like it's in the format of VHD or VHDX, so the hard disk, virtual hard disk, is contained by the append blob. So guys, this is the basic information about the blob, page blob, blob, and append blob. I hope you all of you understand about the concept of these all three types of blobs. So now I'm going to move ourselves into the portal and give you the proper information how we can set up the storage account. Okay, so now I'm just going to open our Azure portal. Just use your portal.azure.com. See, this is my Azure portal, and in Azure portal, I'm planning to create a one storage account. Over the storage account, over the Azure portal, you need to select the storage part, and in the storage part, we need to click on the storage account. Now we have option to click on the create storage account. So guys, you need to click here. Now this is the basic information. You need to fulfill the entire information. Like you need to proceed with your any resource group. It's a logical container. I have already created our resource group with name of Azure Architect. Type the name of your storage. Like I'm going to proceed with the storage account 1988. Fine. I'm planning to create it in the location of East US, and we have a two different way to create our storage account. One is standard, another is premium. So guys, the difference between standard and premium is the only difference of reading writing, means to store our data. It impact to your reading and writing space. So I'm not going to proceed with premium. I'm going to proceed with simple standard. See, we have account kind. So in account kind, it's categorized in three different parts: blob storage, storage GP1 and storage GP2. So guys, if we're talking about the difference between these three different between these three options, so blob storage is basically related to the whenever you proceed and create your storage account with the help of blob storage, you are able to get only single storage service blob only. As per the diagram, if you create your storage account with blob, so you are able to see only the container, correct? And next, if you proceed with storage blob GP1, you will be get the entire information, container, file share, table, and queues as well. And if you proceed with GP2, so also you will be get the four different options which is available in our storage account. And the difference between the blob GP1 and GP2, hot and cool. If you want to put your archive data, you can proceed with cool. If you want to use your streaming data, like as you want to upload some videos file and you want to distribute your video files to everyone, so if you want to use your data as a streaming, so you can proceed with hot. So guys, I'm just going to proceed with GP1. Another important option is related to that application. So in case of application, three different options available: LRS, GRS, RAGRS. So in case of LRS, it's local resident storage account, storage services. GRS is geo resident, and RAGRS is read access geo resident storage. So guys, three different way. We have a three different way to create our storage account. The difference between these three: local ready storage is basically responsible to make a three copy of your single data and put in the same location. And GRS is basically create a six different copy of your single data, and RAGRS is responsible to create nine different copy and two different location, put it into two different location of your single data, single copy of your data, single data, and nine different copies in nine different parts. So as per the application, you also need to pay extra amount. So that's why I'm going to proceed with LRF. Click next. You want to access your storage account from publicly, you need to proceed with public all network. Click next. So guys, this is some basic additional information. This is called data protection. So guys, I hope you all of you know about the concept of soft deleting. So guys, if we're talking about the soft deleting, means for example, unfortunately you deleted your storage account, but after 2 days you realize you don't want to delete it. So with the help of soft deleting method, you can recover your data after deleting. So we have option to proceed with soft delete with blob, soft delete with file share as well. So whenever you click on the soft delete, you need to provide the information about the days, how many days you want to restore your data. Like you can use 7 days, 999 days, 100 days, 10 days. As per your requirement, you can proceed with soft deleting. So I'm not going to proceed here with soft deleting because I'm going to create it only for the testing purpose. And this is another option is related to the advanced security option. So secure transfer, yes, we need to secure our data if we want to share our data from one location to another location. So that's why you need to click enable secure transfer. Second option is related to the allow public blob public access. Yes, we want to access our blob from the publicly from anywhere. So you need to proceed with enable. No need to make any changes here. If you want to share the large file in the sense you have a ISO image, you are planning to share your ISO image with someone, but unfortunately your ISO image capacity is total 4 gig or 2 gigs. So if you want to share the large file, you need to proceed with enable. Next. No need to do anything, just click next, and finally you need to click create. So guys, we successfully proceed to create our storage account, and it may be take time up to 2 or 3 minutes just, and after that you are able to access your storage account. So we need to wait it. So guys, meanwhile, if you have any question or doubt, please let me know. You can also drop the comment directly. You can drop the comment and we'll try to help you. If you have any question or any doubt, please. I'm waiting for your response. If you have any question, please let me know. So please let me know if you have any question or doubt. So our storage account will be take time up to maybe 2 or 3 minutes. So we need to wait it. You're welcome. You're welcome. If you have any question, please let me know. AG, you can directly open my YouTube channel and go to the playlist, and you can easily find the videos related to our AG104. And I also started our AG300 series, so you can directly find. You need to search it. I think I forget to mention our video number 1 and 2 in playlist. I need to check it, and definitely will make it part of our playlist. It's not related to the session number 1 or 2. So actually, AG it's just only for the testing purpose. I am going to just give us some basic information about the storage. But if according to your response, will give you the proper live session by based on the content of AG104. But this is only for the testing purpose. I am going to check how YouTube can perform the task in live. So it's not related to the session wise 1, 2, or 3. It's only for the testing purpose. Guys, you can also join my channel as a membership. So you can just select. You need to click on the join button and choose the plan that you want, and you can also directly can coordinate with me and for the personal chat as well. So I need to check. I think our storage account successfully created. We need to check it. Yes, we successfully created our storage account, guys. I need to check. We created a storage account with name of storage account 1988. So as per the discussion, we discussed about whenever you create a storage account, you will be get a 4 different types of storage services: container, file share, table, and queues. So guys, this is the containers, file share, and table and queues. We know very well about it. If we're talking about the storage, so storage and file share is basically responsible to what we can say that it's responsible to store the unstructured data. Means you if you plan to put any kind of document, PDF or MP3, you can proceed with file and table. Sorry, container and file share. And if you want to put your any kind of structured data like it's SQL data, a table, and you need to proceed with our table and queues. So guys, it's clear about the structured and unstructured data. Now I'm going to describe about how you can use your what we can say that how you can use your container and file share services. So I'm going to open it. There are no options available, and we are unable to find the option to upload our data. Correct? So if you want to upload your data, what you need to do, you need to uh, create a one blob. At least one blob you need to create. If you create one blob, definitely you are able to upload your own data. So I'm going to click on the container. So basically, whenever we click on the container, it gives you option to create your blob. So I'm going to proceed with name of demo, and must be in lowercase. Select the public level access means if you want to access it access it publicly, you need to proceed with the container access from anywhere. No need to do anything. Just click create. Sure, I have already uploaded up to 8 to 9 different videos based on the virtualization. So if you check my playlist, definitely you will be find the videos related to the virtualization, and we'll also give you a live session of VMware virtualization as well. So as per your response, definitely we'll try to give you a live session there, for related to the virtualization. So next we need to understand about the storage services. So guys, we created a one blob with name of demo. You need to open it. So guys, this is the blob. As per the theory that we discussed, blob, because you can upload any kind of data in your blob. Click upload, and it gives you option to access data from your on-premises. So guys, this is my on-premises machine, and I'm going to upload this JPEG image. Just open it and click upload. Select any kinds of data. It's not mandatory you can upload only images. So you can upload any kind of data. It may be setup, it may be document, it may be videos. So any kind of data you can upload. Just select your data, and it gives you option of URL. This is the URL. You need to copy it and paste on any browser. Press enter. But unfortunately you are unable to access it. Okay, no problem. I think we need to make it public. Yep, we are successfully access our data from Blob storage. Now it's clear. So guys, I hope you understand about the concept of Azure storage services. So I'm waiting for your response, guys. If you want more live session, please let me know and drop a comment. Definitely we'll give you at least one live session in each and every 2 days or 3 days. So guys, take care and bye bye. We'll meet soon.